One of the options that Fort Bend County Library offers their patrons is the ability to check books out virtually through an electronic library called OverDrive. OverDrive can be found in the section from our main website under Books, eLibrary, and more. If you click on eLibrary, you will notice there is a full database of options for electronic resources. Today we will be clicking on OverDrive and Libby. Like any other resource, you will be required to enter your library card number and password. Once you are signed into OverDrive, you will have access to all of our electronic resources. These resources can be downloaded straight to your computer or phone. I will be clicking on New Kids and Teen eBooks as an example. There are several other collections available for you to browse. To the left of the page, you're able to narrow your search options by subject, language, or interest level. Once you decide on the item that you want to check out, you click on the book, and then you click on Borrow. Then you will decide whether you want to borrow the item for 7 days or 14 days. Once you click Borrow, the option to download it to your Kindle will be given, or reading the book from your browser can also be selected. Reading your book from your browser gives you the option to read the item on your computer or your phone. OverDrive makes it fast and easy for you to read books from home.